right, class, and welcome to my very first episode of Mr. Uriarte, You're a Smarty. All right, this is what I want you guys to do right now. I want you to pause this video and go get a piece of paper and a pencil. Go, pause. Okay, welcome back, guys. So, what we're going to do is we are going to take a look at multiplying a two-digit number by a one-digit number. So, let's just do a quick review from class. We have our multiplication facts, and in our multiplication facts, we have factors and products. A factor are the two numbers we are multiplying together to give us an answer. The answer is called a product. Okay, the two factors we are going to use today to practice are 25 and 6. Okay, so we have our two factors. Now we want to set them up on the page. So, I want to set them up, and I want to make sure I'm making them nice and neat, and I'm lining them up just right. We're going to be lining them up vertically, up and down. I'm going to start with 25. Then I'm going to bring the 6 right underneath the 5. Put my line in and my multiplication symbol. Notice how I have them lined up. The 5 in the ones column is lined up with the 6, because the 6 is in the ones column as well. So you have to make sure you line them up according to their column. So, we're going to get started. We always start on the right side, and we move to the left. Let's go. We're going to go 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take the answer 30, and we're going to split it apart. We're going to take the 0 from 30, and we're going to place it underneath the 2. The number in the ones column, which is the 0, is going to go right underneath. Then we're going to take that 3 and we're going to carry it over to the 2. Now we're moving over to the left. 6 times 2 is 12. Now we still have that 3 up here. So we're not going to multiply that 3, we're going to add that 3. So 6 times 2 is 12, plus the 3 is 15. Now I'm going to bring the whole number 15 right down, because I have no other numbers here to multiply, so I can just bring the number 15 right down. So 25 times 6 is 150. Okay, we're going to do this again with another number. Get ready, copy it down, and do it with me. We're going to do 47 and 3. These are our factors, 47 and 3. So, again, I need to make sure that I'm lining up my factors perfectly so that the columns in the digits in the one columns are lined up. 47, and then right underneath the 7, because it's in the ones column, I'm going to bring the 3. Nice and lined up, bring my line, multiply. Make sure you have it set up nice and neat like this. Make sure it's not too small and crunched up too. You want to make it nice and big so it's easy to work with. All right, so again, starting at the right, moving over to the left. 7 times 3 is 21. I'm going to take that number 21 and I'm going to split it apart. Which digit is in the ones column in the number 21? Happens to be 1. So it's going to go right down here. All right. That 2, we're going to carry it over, that's right, on top of the 4. So now we're moving over. 3 times 4 is 12, plus the 2 is 14. Now I'm bringing the whole number 14 right down because there's no more numbers to multiply. So I can bring that whole answer down. So 47 times 3 is 141. All right. You can practice this at home. Watch this video more than once. Review it until you know how to do it. Because when you come back to class, I want to make sure that you can describe how to do this. All right. This is what I want you to do now. Your challenge is show what you know. You need to go and show someone what you just learned. You can tell your mother, your father, your brother, your dog, your fish. It doesn't matter. You need to tell someone. Also, when you come back to school, you have some work. I want you to have your examples done that I'm going to show you. Bring them back, ready to discuss to class. Here they are. They are 64 times 3, 75 times 4, 34 times 5, 92 times 7, 32 times 8, and 56 times 6. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. This is my very first one, and hopefully we'll have some more. All right, we'll see you in class.